Here I have WIKO Tommy, and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following device. So let me show you how to accomplish a soft reset operation. It's especially useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. At the very beginning, if it's possible, let's hold down power key for a few seconds, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's remove the back panel. Let's do it by using the cavity at the left down edge of the device right here. So let me just simply use a nail finger to open the whole item. Let's do it step by step. Now you have access to your battery. Let's remove the battery by using the cavity right here. And that's it. Let's just say that you would like to remove your battery for about 5 to 10 seconds just to restart your device, and then put it back in exactly the same way with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put back the battery. Let me close the back cover protection, and let me simply switch on the device by holding a power key. The WIKO Tommy is switching on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent. As you can see, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.